Hey everyone! Welcome back to Secure Cybermart. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're all about keeping you informed on cybersecurity and home security. Speaking of which, check out Secure Cybermart link in the description. For affordable home security systems, budget-friendly cameras, and the best deals to keep your space safe. Now let's jump into today's topic. We're tackling a big question. Is AI saving or taking cybersecurity jobs? Artificial intelligence is everywhere. And it's moving fast, especially in cybersecurity. So, is it opening doors for new careers or kicking humans out of the game? Here are 3 ways in which we can look at AI for cybersecurity jobs. Number 1, the benefits of AI. First up, let's look at how AI is a game changer for cybersecurity. Picture this. AI can sift through mountains of data in seconds, spotting threats like malware or phishing attempts way faster than any human could. For example, AI tools can monitor your network 24/7, flagging weird activity and alerting the pros before things spiral out of control. That's a win for efficiency. It frees up cybersecurity experts to focus on the big picture stuff like strategy and innovation. Pretty cool, right? However, there are also many concerns about the impact of AI on cybersecurity jobs. Number 2, the concerns of AI. Here's the flip side. Some folks worry AI might take over entirely. If it's so good at finding threats, do we even need humans anymore? It's a fair question. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, like scanning logs or patching vulnerabilities. So it's easy to see why people might fear job losses. Could AI really replace the human touch in cybersecurity? What is the reality? Is AI saving or taking cybersecurity jobs from humans? Number 3, the reality of AI. Here's the thing, it's not that simple. AI is amazing, but it's not perfect. It still needs humans to guide it. Cybersecurity isn't just about code, it's about creativity, critical thinking, and making judgment calls. AI can't do that alone. Plus, as AI grows, it's actually creating jobs. Think about it. Someone's got to build, train, and manage these systems. We're seeing new roles pop up, like AI security specialists or ethics experts, to make sure this tech stays safe and responsible. So is AI saving or taking cybersecurity jobs? Honestly, it's doing both. It's automating some tasks, sure, but it's also opening up fresh opportunities. The trick? Stay ahead of the curve. Learn how AI works, get hands-on with it, and you'll be ready for whatever's next. Find the resources you're looking for in the link below. Just remember, as an Amazon affiliate, Secure Cybermart earns from qualifying purchases. Your purchases help us keep running this channel. The future of cybersecurity isn't AI versus humans, it's AI and humans working together. What do you think, Team AI or Team Human? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your comments are the heartbeat of our community, fueling our shared journey with your insights and sparking conversations that help us all grow together. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe to Secure Cybermart for more. Don't forget to swing by Secure Cybermart, link below, for affordable home security packages and the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay secure, stay cyber smart.